Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Tega. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, you're very welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming again. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make men's African beanie called Abeti Aja cap. It is a traditional Yoruba cap and is named after a large dog's ears. The cap can be worn and shaped as you wish. The fabric used by the Yorubas to make this is called Ofi, or you can call it Hashoke, and it's mainly hand sewn, but in this video we're not going to be hand sewing it. I'll be making use of a sewing machine, and the fabric that I'm going to use is a cotton fabric. For the measurement of the cap, I'll be taking 13.5 inches for the length. It starts there and ends at that point. And for the width, I'll be taking 12 inches. So it starts here and ends there. That's the length of the cap and that's the width of the cap. I'm taking ½ an inch for the sewing allowance and I've marked it all the way around. Looking very well at the bottom bit of this cap, you can see a triangle formed there and it starts from here. And what you need to do is to measure 8.5 from the start point and rule a line if you want. If you want the cap a bit higher, you can go 10 inches instead of 8.5. And if you want to extend the triangle bit of it, over there you can extend that bit as well and make the heart longer. So this is a custom made, cap. So it's tailored towards what the person you're making the cap wants. This pattern is to guide you if you're drafting this cap for the first time. But in this video, I'll be making use of an existing cap to draft the new one. So let's get straight into the video. Now we've come to the end of the tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed watching every bit of it. Remember to subscribe, press that notification bell for more videos like this. Like, share, and leave a comment. I'll see you in my next video. But till then, look after yourself and bye for now.